Hello RSGC, how are you today? I'm here to teach you guys a little bit about what's underneath your hood. Some very simples to help you guys get started in case you need to add some fluid or some oil to your car. First off, you're going to need to get into the hood, okay? The easiest way to do that, get inside your car, usually down by the pedals. On the left-hand side, you'll see a latch. Sometimes it's up here, but that's my brake. In my truck, it's down to the side. Simply pop, and you'll hear a latch release, okay? Once the latch is released, come to the front of the car, raise your hood. It won't raise fully, it'll raise partially. You gotta put your hand underneath. You will feel a little bit of a latch. Move the latch to the right, and pop up, okay? Then once you're under the hood, you'll see your beautiful engine. We're going to teach you two things. One, how to check and change your washer fluid. Also how to check and change your oil. So first off, washer fluid. Both these lights will come on in your car, so that's a first telling sign, but not always. Sometimes you don't want to wait till they come on because you'll be in the middle of a snowstorm and all of a sudden you can't see out of your windshield. That's not the best time to be putting in washer fluid. Okay, so in most cars, all cars pretty much nowadays, you're going to see a lid. It's pretty simple. It says washer fluid only, okay? Easy. You can take a peek down inside there. Many of them have lines on them to tell you where the height level is. But once you see if you need to add more, very simple. I could add a little more here. You can either take the can of washer fluid, pour it directly in, or some will use a funnel to make it a little easier, not splash on your car. Really doesn't make too much of a difference. That's washer fluid, very simple. Oil, a little more challenging, but not really. Different places in the car. In this car, if you look down here, you're gonna see a little handle. This one happens to be yellow. Sometimes in different cars they are red. Okay, just reach in, put your finger on, and you're gonna pull it up. You're gonna see this long metal piece, okay? You'll need a paper towel. Simply clean that off with your paper towel. Make it nice and clean, okay? And then you are going to slide it back in to check how much oil you have in the vehicle. So slide her back in and then pull it up. Fantastic. And then what it's going to tell me is where the oil has come up to. There's little corrugated crosses on there. You want the oil to simply be somewhere in that span. If it is, you are doing well. A little over, not a big deal, but you don't want it to be too much under. That's simple for changing your oil. Make sure when you are complete to replace this back into the vehicle and close it nice and tight, and you are all set. Also, last one, with some vehicles, this one has a hydraulic hinge on it, but some vehicles do not. Right in the front of your car, you'll see a big metal piece which comes up and hooks under the hood to keep it up so you don't drop the hood on your head. That's Masterclass Part 1. We will come back with Masterclass Part 2, maybe to teach you about jumper cables and jumping a car, and also where to find your spare tire and your jack. Hope you all have a great day.